Good morning, students. We have completed till exercise 5.4 and exercise 5.5 we have completed till example number 5 of chapter 5, continuity and differentiability. Today we are going to start with sixth example. The example given is y is equal to x plus 1 upon x raised to x plus x raised to 1 plus 1 by x. Now here in both this term, in the power, the variable x is there. So to differentiate this type of the functions, we'll make use of logarithm differentiation. Now for that, we will assume both this term as u plus v. So we will have here y is equal to u plus v. Now if we differentiate this statement with respect to x, we will have dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. Now we will take u as the first term, that is x plus 1 by x raised to x. We will differentiate u separately, calculate du by dx and then put it in statement number 1. So as here the variable is in the power, to bring it down we will take log on both the sides. So we have here log u is equal to x log x plus 1 by x. The variable x comes down if we are taking log on both the sides. After bringing this x down, we'll differentiate with respect to x. So here the differentiation of log u will be 1 upon u du by dx. Now as x and log of this whole term they are multiplied, we'll make use of the multiplication rule of differentiation. Keeping log x plus 1 by x as it is, differentiating x dx by dx plus keeping x as it is, differentiating log. So we have to make use of the chain rule here. So x d by dx of log x plus 1 by x into d by dx of x plus 1 by x. Chain rule is used. Now log u derivative becomes 1 upon u and we write there du by dx. Now if we differentiate dx by dx, it will be 1. So that is being written here 1 plus x is as it is, log x plus 1 by x derivative will become 1 upon x plus 1 by x, standard derivative of log. Derivative of x is 1. 1 upon x derivative is minus 1 by x square. Standard derivatives are being used. Taking up the LCM, we have here x square plus 1 divided by x. That x goes and gets multiplied with this x. So we get x square upon x square plus 1. Here also taking out the LCM, we have x square minus 1 upon x square. X square and x square gets cancelled. The remaining all the terms are as it is. Now taking u the other side, it will be multiplied with this whole term. So u, and inside the bracket remains log of x plus 1 by x plus x square minus 1 upon x square plus 1. Keeping the value of u as x plus 1 upon x raised to the power x, we get du by dx as this whole differentiation. We'll mark this as 2 because u is separately being differentiated, and then we will be putting it in the statement number 1 after differentiating the v part. Now taking up the v differentiation, v is equal to x raised to the power 1 plus 1 by x. To bring this 1 plus 1 by x, we will take log on both the sides. So we will have here log v plus 1 plus 1 by x log x. After bringing 1 plus 1 by x down by taking log, we'll differentiate with respect to x. So log v differentiation will be 1 upon v dv by dx. We'll make use of the multiplication rule here. First, taking out the derivative of 1 plus 1 by x, log x is as it is, plus keeping 1 plus 1 by x as it is, taking out the derivative of log x. Now log x remains as it is, derivative of 1 is 0 as it is constant. 1 by x derivative will be minus 1 by x square, standard derivative, plus 1 plus 1 by x will remain as it is. Derivative of log x is 1 by x. Now simplifying it further, we have here 1 by v dv by dx as it is. This whole term will give us minus 1 by x square log x plus, taking LCM, we will have x plus 1 upon x into 1 by x. So the whole of this, by taking the positive term first and negative term afterwards, we'll have 1 by v dv by dx is equal to x plus 1 upon x square minus 1 by x square log x. Now taking v the other side, it will get multiplied with this whole term, and dv by dx will be equal to v x plus 1 upon x square minus log x upon x square. Now keeping the value of v as x plus x raised to 1 plus 1 by x, dv by dx will be this whole derivative. We'll mark this as statement number 3. Now substituting 2 and third statement in statement number 1 and combining both, this whole term will be the derivative of y, that is dy by dx derivative will be this whole combination. Example number 7, it is same as example 6. Here also two functions are added and it is given y is equal to log x raised to the power x plus x raised to the power log x. Both these terms are added and the variable is in the power. So we will be taking y is equal to u plus v form. Differentiating this statement with respect to x, we will get dy by dx is equal to du by dx plus dv by dx. We'll mark this statement as 1. Now assuming u as log of x raised to the power x, to bring this x down, we'll take log on both the sides. So we have log u is equal to x log of log x. Now differentiating with respect to x, LHS differentiation will be 1 upon u du by dx. Making use of the multiplication rule here, x is as it is, d by dx of log x into d by dx of log x, making use of the chain rule here for differentiating log of log x. So first d by dx is for log, second is for log x, plus keeping log of log x as it is, differentiating x dx by dx. Now LHS remains as it is, x as it is, derivative of log x is 1 upon log x, derivative of log x is 1 by x plus log x is as it is. Derivative of x is 1. X and x gets cancelled. Shifting u the other side, it gets multiplied. And u into 1 upon log x plus log of log x remains. Keeping the value of u as log x raised to x and taking the LCM, we get 1 plus log x log of log x divided by log x. Now log x raised to x and log x, if we divide, we'll get it log x raised to the power x minus 1. So it will become 1 less into 1 plus log x log of log x remains inside the bracket. This whole becomes du by dx, which we have marked it as 2. Now taking up the v part, v given over here is x raised to log x, again taking log on both the sides. To bring this log x down, we have log v is equal to log x into log x, and that will become log x whole square. Now differentiating with respect to x, we'll get here log v derivative as 1 upon v dv by dx is equal to, when we are differentiating log of log x to square, we'll make use of the chain rule here. First will be the derivative of square, that is 2, and then the derivative of log x. That means first we have to calculate the derivative of power, that is 2, and then the derivative of log x. So we get here 1 by v dv by dx is equal to, derivative of power becomes 2 log x. That is, we have to use n x raised to n minus 1 form whenever we are calculating the derivative of the power. So log x square is there, its derivative will be 2 log x. Now d by dx of log x will be 1 by x. So we get here 1 upon v dv by dx is equal to 2 log x divided by x. Shifting v the other side, we get dv by dx is equal to v 2 log x upon x. Keeping the value of v as x raised to log x divided by x 2 log x. Now subtracting both this, we will get it as the final dv by dx is equal to 2x log x minus 1 into log x. So this is the final dv by dx. We'll mark this as 3. Now we'll substitute 2 and 3 in 1 and the solution will get completed. After putting statement number 2 and statement number 3 in 1, the final dy by dx will get it.